This maker project is to create an Arduino box using cardboard. I wanted to select a material that was more sustainable and represented recycling. The first box, was created from a 3D print. So what's interesting is I'm cutting the cardboard on my cardboard CNC laser machine, which was constructed of cardboard. I made this 2 years ago and it's still in service. So getting to the design of the cardboard box itself, I created each side as its own component, which then went to the shop floor manufacturing module where I created the CNC programs. And then those programs, of course, went to the laser machine. During the development of this small product, I created quite a few files. I created assemblies, sub-assemblies, components, CNC programs, tools for the CNC. And what's interesting is that using the Relation Explorer, we can see the digital thread of how everything gets related to each other. So here we can trace manufacturing back to the product.